The next one I would mention is Realtor.com. Realtor.com, I have done the listing side where they send you leads for potential realtors. And they have different models. One model is you pay them a small monthly fee, depending on where you may be financially. It may not be small, about $200 or less. And you get the lead, but when you do get the lead, you do have to give them a breakdown. It's over 30% in the split. That one, they are incentivized to make sure you succeed because they get that big commission split with you. So that one I got one listing appointment. So it's not the greatest, but I did get one listing appointment and it was a $900,000 property. So imagine if I would have gotten that commission, just to do some quick math, let's say it would have sold for, we're just gonna cut it down, $850,000. We're looking at about $21,000 on the commission, and then I do my split with them. So the reason why that gentleman never sold is he ended up staying with the government. This was at the time when Donald Trump was cutting down on the government workers, and he was thinking, should I get the buyout? He never ended up getting the buyout, and you know, he stayed up here. He had another house somewhere in the South that he was gonna just sell this one and relocate. But that was a solid lead, and it does work. And they have another one, which is the buyer. And I just started with that one this year. I've had one lead so far in about a week. A gentleman was looking for a huge house, but it turned out he already had an agent. He just had a question about a particular house. So we'll see how that one pans out. And I'll keep people posted on that. Maybe there is something there, maybe there's nothing there. We'll see. But I know on the listing side, I do get solid leads. It's all about converting those leads, right? You do have some that are exclusive and some that are sent to you and another agent. If it's an exclusive lead, you pay more for it, but it only comes to you. A non-exclusive lead goes to you and another agent, and you pay less for that monthly. I used to do the non-exclusive leads with Realtor.com. I'm doing the exclusive now to where I'm the only agent that is sent that contact. And we'll see how that goes. Another lead source I have worked with is Redfin. And Redfin has a threshold for you to get in. You need to have closed at least 5 transactions, to my knowledge. I think within the past year or so, but at least 5 transactions. I did close 2 deals with Redfin. I currently have a contract that is, has been signed and everything right now. So this will be my 3rd Redfin deal. And they have a split as well based on the price of the home. The higher the price of the home, the more you pay them back. They do give you good leads. As you see, I've closed, this is going to be my 3rd deal. If everything works out with this contact, you can say it's a good one. There are sides to the Redfin leads, and also good sides. Good is you will get leads. The bad side is I honestly believe Redfin has Redfin agents. They are a brokerage from my knowledge. They have their own agents. And now I think they partnered with probably Rocket Mortgage or so. And they also have lenders. So their business model is very good. It works for them.